Hello everybody, I'm here with the Empties video, so I'm gonna jump right into it. So the first thing I have is the Total Home Bleach Tablets Linen Scent. You've seen me buy this before. It doesn't do that great of a job on white clothes, but I like to make like a disinfectant type, well it doesn't disinfect, but you know, to clean things and make it smell nice, like your bathroom and stuff. But I found it doesn't work that well on your white clothes. Okay, I have my favorite, the Suavitel. This always smells good and is for a goodbye. I have the Hero Scent Stripes Lavender Flap Tie bags. I got this from Walmart. It's okay, it smells good. But the bags are not as big as they saying it is. It's like a medium-sized bag, but it's still good. I have Colgate baking soda and peroxide. Very, very good. But they are making these tubes much smaller. I have the Ultra Bright Advanced Whitening. Always buy that, it's good. I have the Queen Pacific Berry Blush perfume. So I had this for a long time. It smells good. And it was totally out. I thought it would be a little spritz in there, but it's not. But this was good. I got this from Macy's Last Act. That's a good place to get your perfumes. Macy's Last Act and Macy's Backstage. Okay, here's the box from that Colgate. I have the Spa Soap antibacterial hand soap. So when I brought this and I smelled it, and I said, that smells like a perm relaxer. So I'm gonna, next time I go in the store, I'm gonna open it up. I know you're not supposed to open it up, but I'm gonna smell it and see whether they really changed the formula or the fragrance. And if they did, I won't buy any more of this. But this was my favorite. I have the Kitchen Tall drawstring bags from Walmart. These are always good. And I forget how much I paid. I don't know if it was $10, $8, something like that. But they're well made. I like it. This bag is really filling up with this trash. So, Roma. I have another Roma here. I have the Tide from the Asian countries. Pretty good. Ooh. I have a Roma, another Roma, another Roma. This is the Scott's Tissue Comfort Plus from Dollar Tree. I love to get this from Dollar Tree. This is really good. It's small, but I like it a lot. You know, some of those toilet tissue rolls, I forget the brand. It's too big. It's like I have to roll some off before I put it on the roller. It's too big. It's too thick. It's a good tissue, but too thick. I have the paper towels from Walmart. It was 68 cents. Decent enough for me. I have the Zote. From the Spanish countries call it Zote. This is good. If you don't know about it, get some. It's good for stains on your clothes. You know, I use it to clean around the house with. I even mop with it, everything. This stuff is good, and it's only $1 and something from Walmart. And you can find it at other stores. I got this paper towel, another one from Walmart, 68 cents. I have the Pro Silk Body Lavender and Chamomile Hydrating Body Wash with Aloe Vera, 24 ounces. This was good. I'm usually allergic to chamomile, but I tried it and I said, let's see if it's gonna break me out. And it didn't. And I didn't get any asthma or anything from it, so this was a good buy. I have the White Rain Men Max Energy Body Wash, Fresh Mountain Spring. I know this is for men, but I love this stuff. This is some good stuff from Dollar Tree. Need envelopes. I have the 7th generation Clean with Purpose dish liquid. So this has like this thing is lavender, but it doesn't really smell like, oh, okay. Lavender, flower, and mint. It does smell like mint. This was good. I liked it a lot. I tried it one time and I didn't care for it, but I liked it a lot, and it's a little more expensive, but I did like it. I got my old time, one of my favorites is the Ajax Ultra Lemon dish soap. I have the 2 times concentrated formula Pine Sol multi-surface cleaner. Kills 99.9 of germs. I wonder, is that true? 20 ounces. This is pretty good though. I don't know if y'all remember, well, I think y'all do. During the pandemic, a lot of the products were watered down. They didn't smell as strong, and I'm starting to see that they're starting to, you know, make it better now. I'm happy about that. I have the Juicy Couture Fine Fragrance Mist. I didn't like this for me. I didn't feel that it smelled good, like it smelled good on me. But then I put it in my diffuser and I liked it, but not as a body spray. Got to get a little bit out. Yeah, I didn't like that smell too much. Not on me. To me, it's for a young lady, and just didn't smell good on my skin. I got the Vaseline Blue Seal Men's Petroleum Jelly. Got this from my local dollar store. I like this a lot. It has a nice clean smell. It smells something similar that I had many years ago, but I can't place what it is. But anyway, it gives you a nice smell, and I know it's for men, but I like this, and I will be getting some more. You know, when the summer comes in, I don't wear as many perfumes and stuff as I do other parts of the year. So a little Vaseline, as long as I'm clean and put a little Vaseline or something on, I'm good. Okay, so I'm down to my last 2 items. One is the Dow Refill, and it does 6+ bottles, antibacterial defense, kills 99.9 of bacteria, and aloe, and it's the gold 52 ounces. So like I was saying before about that one from Dollar Tree, used to smell just like this. always like the smell of this. It smells so good. And I paid, I think it was $6 or $7. I will be getting more of this. My last item is the Tide Simply Oxy Boost Plus Ultra Stain Release. So I used the rest of this today and it smells pretty good. I was telling you that it's one that is too musky smelling, but this one is decent. And I will be getting this again. When the clothes came out, they smelled so good. I didn't put no boosters or anything in there. Just what I did do though, usually I'd be filling that machine up because yeah, and the washing at the laundromat or your laundry room in your building is expensive. But this time I put less clothes and I used 2 machines. Now I won't do that too often, but it worked well and I like the way my clothes smell for having more room in the machine, you know. Okay, so that is the end of it for my empties. I hope you enjoyed it. It will be more videos coming. Okay, and I think I mentioned it before that a lot of my videos are going to be scheduled. I am busy, but you will see videos coming from me. Okay? All right, thank you for watching.